Predict the product in the following reaction. If you see these two compounds, the two reactants here, one is carboxylic acid and the other one is alcohol. So carboxylic acids react with alcohol to form ester and water. Let us see. When carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol, it forms ester and water. So if you see the reaction, in water molecule we have H and OH. H of water will come from alcohol and OH of water comes from carboxylic acid. H of alcohol, H of water comes from alcohol and OH of water comes from carboxylic acid. Again I am repeating, in esterification reaction, carboxylic acid react with alcohol to form ester and water. During this process, one water molecule is eliminated. In that water molecule, H comes from alcohol and OH comes from carboxylic acids. Okay. So now what is the reactant here? What are the reactants we have here? In the first option, in the first example, the isotopically labeled oxygen of carboxylic acid is isotopically labeled. So what happens? CH3 C double bond O OH, and this is isotopically labeled oxygen. Then CH3OH. What technique we learned? OH should go from carboxylic acid and H from alcohol. So you will get H2O here, where the oxygen is isotopically labeled, because oxygen of carboxylic acid is isotopically labeled. Oxygen in water also will be isotopically labeled. So what is the other product we have? CH3 C double bond O OCH3. This is about first compound. Now let us see second compound. In second compound, what they are taking? CH3 C double bond O OH plus CH3 OH. This oxygen is isotopically labeled. In the second option, oxygen of alcohol is isotopically labeled. So where will this oxygen go? It goes into ester. So what will I get? CH3 C double bond O OCH3. This oxygen is isotopically labeled plus water. Okay. So what technique we have to learn in esterification reaction? Carboxylic acid react with alcohol to form ester and water. H plus goes from alcohol, OH minus will go from carboxylic acid. So if I take isotopically labeled oxygen in carboxylic acid, that oxygen will be in water. If I take isotopically labeled oxygen in alcohol, that oxygen will be in ester. So these are products C and D. These are products A and B. That is what they are asking. A, B, C and D. So what is A here? CH3 C double bond O OCH3 plus water, which is labeled. If you see this one, CH3 C double bond O OCH3 plus water, this oxygen is isotopically labeled. Okay. These are the products